Oh, I can't think of any other intro. I was trying to think of some, but I was lost for words.
Well, I think it's
So
beautiful.
you're stuck with that. Today we are playing
This game.
natural disaster survival because we
Yes.
found nothing else to play. So we hope you like it. Hopefully.
I think this. I just think I just saw someone die.
Yeah, I already died.
I wasn't even in it.
Oh, are you? Oh, you're dead. Okay. I went up to the top of one of the towers,
Did you jump
and
off?
then for some reason I failed at climbing the ladder. So
Okay, boomer. Someone
do
said
boomers
that.
not climb ladders? Good. Oh, that's one of the names. Oh, okay. I
Yeah.
was like, what? I've heard boomers suck at climbing ladders.
Uh,
They're oh no! Oh, I just fell off the starting area. Oh no! Oh no! Okay, I'm back in. Woo!
I want to be
I
in
want
a
to go on
tank.
I'm in it.
Oh, I am too. How do I move it?
I don't know.
No, he's driving me off into the water. No.
Wait, maybe the guy in front drives it. I don't know.
Oh yeah, the guy in front drives it, but I want to drive. Pick me. Yay, I'm driving one.
I want to drive.
Wee. Wait, what did it say
you?
it was?
I don't think it said yet.
Oh, I'm in the tank. We're fine. Whoa, what the heck? Wait, Saz, you want to get in my tank?
Yes, where is your tank?
I mean, it's in your sand person.
Oh no, I'm driving one. I can't drive one. How do I get in?
Or just fall in. If you
Empty.
fall in, then it will sit you down. Oh no, my tank's stuck.
I'm driving my tank.
Don't fall off!
Oh, no.
I got my tank stuck. Wait.
Oh, my tank! It got hit!
No!
Oh, I died. Darn it!
I'm still in my tank, but I'm stuck.
You got this, Senor Lamborghini. You can do it.
I just got hit. Not by a meteor. Oh, I found a different tank. Oh, there's a helicopter up. There's an upside down helicopter.
You can do it. You can do it.
I think the safest part is on top of. Oh, never. Oh, it just got destroyed.
Did you die?
Nope. Wait, I think I see you. Oh, yay!
Did you do it? You did it!
Yay!
Big sticky load.
Big
Oh
sticky
my.
load. This person has a rat on their shoulder. They look scary.
I need to change my skin. It's so generic.
How come you have
hate it
sleeves in
now.
the back on your arm for one part, but not in the front?
Oh, that's what?
Wait, you want to seesaw with me?
What? Oh, seesaw? Oh yeah. Where is the seesaw? I'm coming.
Man, we're seesawing. Yay. We seesaw.
I'm going on the slide.
Hey.
Whee! I can't really lay down. I'm just kind of running. Oh!
Hey, hey, Senor Sand something.
What?
Why is Elon Musk's name Elon Musk?
Because his parents chose that? Okay.
Sad days, you guessed it.
It's a tsunami.
Yeah, someone told me a joke at school. I forgot what it was. Wait, you gotta get on the roof.
How do you get on the
There's a
roof?
ladder in the back.
Should I try it?
Well, you have to, or else the tsunami is gonna get you. Oh no.
Oh, that's a big tsunami.
Uh-huh.
Oh, I would have been fine. Oh, no, I
Oh!
would not have.
Wow!
Oh my gosh. I died.
I got flung in the air, but I'm still survived. Oh, I can move these things. Push them in the ocean.
Cause when the second floor it disappeared, then the roof fell off floor, and because I already jumped off to go up the ladder, I just died from fall damage.
Oh.
Oh my gosh, Poopy Pants 6800. What a
What?
lovely name.
Poopy Pants 6800.
Did
Oh, I
you
see
win?
them.
Woo!
T-Rexsaurus. Shaga.
Keep score. You've won 2, right?
My Cheerios!
It's in your Lamborghini. You've won 2, correct?
Mm-hmm.
What?
Someone's powering
What
up
did
the
you say?
machine! This is not good. They powered up the machine. They powered up the machine.
What does that mean?
It means there's gonna be multiple disasters.
Oh, I like that. That's fun.
Oh. Well, I'm going on top of the pipe thing.
Yeah, I was going on there too, you copycat.
Okay, fine. I won't. I'll just... Yeah. Whoa!
Wait, I want to go on top of the tower. That looks more fun.
What were you talking about before?
On the little things.
Oh, did you know you can jump inside of it? Fire! Oh no!
What?
Where's the fire?
I
Oh,
don't
get
know.
down! Get down! Get down or all the
Is
way
it on
up.
the tower?
No, but it's right
it's
next
on the
to.
tower.
Oh, and now it is.
Oh no! Oh no!
I'm
going,
gonna have to
I'm
jump.
going, I'm going. Oh.
Oh, I think it's gonna be powered up next round because it's not this round. Whoa! It's so pretty. I want to touch it. Wait, aren't these things filled with like oil or something?
What? Yeah.
Oh, well, won't they blow up?
So this is called a refinery. So this is where they take like oil that they've mined out of the ground, and then they make it into oil that you can put in your cars. What are you doing?
/E space dance.
What are you doing?
Slash
E space. I can't do it.
Well, you
What?
got press slash twice.
Oh. I can't.
Alright, type /E space dance.
I'm not doing it. What? I'm
What?
very confused.
I'm resetting my character so I have full health.
Slash
E space dance. You'll have
Is
to
there
press
a
slash
space
twice though, because if you press slash, then it will just like.
Is there a space between E and space?
There's a space between E and dance. That's all.
Oh, I was spelling space.
Huh?
Oh, now it's working. Oh, okay.
Yeah. I want the. Oh wait. Oh no. I see clouds. I'm gonna go inside.
What will we die from today?
I don't know, but I'm gonna hide. Oh, you don't see
Gonna
me.
hide? Don't. Oh, yes, I do.
That's not me. Bro, look
No
at this guy has
windows.
so
Oh,
much
yes, there is.
health. How do you have so much?
My Cheerios?
My Cheerios. That should be a song. Oh no. Oh no. Run away from the Sharknado.
I don't like this. I don't like this one. It's coming towards
Wait, I want to
me.
lose my head. Oh, that guy lost his
It's gonna
legs.
bite
Oh no! It took away my hat. I'm hideous.
No, no, no.
Where are you? I see you. I am beautiful. Wait, I'm so short. Why am I so short? I got smashed by something too. Oh no, I think it's coming over here. Oh no. Oh, a chair. I'm just sitting in my chair.
Yeah, I see you.
I
Your
think it's
ugly
fine.
head.
Wait, sit in the green chair. Sit in the green chair. Sit in the green chair. Quick, come on. Trust me.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and then I'll show you something magical. If you just stay sad in it.
It's gonna come after me though.
No, it won't.
I
You're
feel
fine. You're
like
fine. You're fine. Just stay sad. Just stay sad. It's gonna end. In 3,
no,
2,
after me. Oh,
1.
how do you know how long it's gonna be?
Oh, I don't. But stay sat in the chair. Stay sat in the chair. Look, everyone else got teleported back. If you sit down during something, you don't get teleported.
Oh.
Yeah.
Huh.
I think that's funny. Hey, but watch it. See, look.
Wow.
Prison panic. Oh, I love this map.
Wait, how do we get in?
Alright, don't go. No, I'll teleport you. Don't jump off. No, you're not gonna be in it. Oh wait, you might be in it. But look, there's gonna be 7 disasters.
Oh, I'm in it. Oh, good. Oh, good.
Alright, follow me. Follow me. Follow me. Follow me.
Where are you going?
Go in the door. Go in the door.
See you.
I'm the very beautiful person. Alright, and then come in here, and then stand on this orange thing. Stand on that orange thing. Now we're in prison, and I have no pants.
Wait, I can't get out.
I just zoom out. I'll let you out. Where are you? Zoom out through the bars, and then you can press on the button. Oh no, there's sandstorm, snowstorm, and fire.
I can't see though.
I see you, son. I mean, send you. Oh my gosh! It's a tornado!
Oh, bad. Oh my gosh. Okay, my computer cannot handle this.
Oh my gosh!
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm being thrown all over the place.
I can do it! I can't see anything! Oh, yes, I can. Oh! It's a tornado! I mean, a volcano! Jump in the volcano! Oh, I'm climbing the volcano! I think the lava's glitched. Are you dead?
Oh my gosh, I just died.
I'm still alive! I'm on the volcano!
You're still alive?
I'm on the volcano!
How are you still alive?
Look
That's
on the
impressive.
volcano!
I can't see anything.
Wait a second. Ah! Oh, I got rid of this. Oh, nope, I didn't. I got rid of the stuff on my screen. No, nope, it's back. I'm gonna die. There's no way. Come on. I want in the
I see
corner.
the volcano now. Someone's on it.
Yeah, me.
Oh my god, you did it.
Oh.
And it's stick floaty.
I did it! Oh! Oh, now this girl wants to be my girlfriend because I'm so cool because I did it. They sent me a friend request. Oh crap! I accidentally accepted it. Well, I guess I'm now friends with Say Fox or whatever. I'm gonna be in the crow's nest. I have bad experiences with that light thing. But also, where are my pants?
Oh, you still have your inmate thing.
Honey, where are my pants?
Yeah, honey, where are my pants? I have to say the honey part first.
Honey, where are my
Oh my
pants?
gosh, you still have your stupid head.
My head is beautiful. I am just bald. I'm big, bald, and beautiful.
I'm trying to climb on you. Oh, there we go. See, like there's a tsunami now. I'm just a little bit
Oh
taller.
no. Oh my gosh, I almost died from falling down.
It's coming after me!
Why would you run towards it? Wait, just go on the pier. Go on the pier.
Oh yeah, that's genius.
I don't think the tornado will go over here, so.
No! It took my head! It took my head!
Are you big, bald, and beautiful now too? Oh, I think I see you. Is that you?
Yes, it's me! I'm bald.
Oh,
I'm hitting us.
Well, wait, you're going to the other side, then we can wave to each other.
You're not on the pier.
I'm on the other one.
No, you're not.
Yeah, I am.
No, you're not. You're not on the pier.
I'm on the other one. There you are.
On the other... Oh, there! Hi! Look at my bald, hideous head. My little smirk.
Look,
Oh,
I can
yeah.
wave.
Now that I know how to do it.
/ E space wave.
Oh no, what's Daisy?
Almost everyone.
I typed it wrong.
E wave. E.
Oh! Whoops, Daisy.
E wave.
What did I... Oh, I keep spelling wave wrong.
Wave.
There we go. Lucky Mark.
Oh, this isn't the one with cars, darn it. I know where I'm going. In a refrigerator.
This is a pretty small Lucky Mark.
Oh, you can't sit down.
What's the tornado? I mean, what's the disaster?
It hasn't said yet. Baby fawn.
What is the person that rings up your stuff? I'm a cashier.
You're the cashier? I would like to buy some hair gel.
Now!
Banana,
Card has
banana,
been
banana.
denied.
Banana. 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 Thunderstorm! Yes, I am screaming.
You know what? I'm gonna go out and open places.
Oh, I am.
Wait, what are you doing?
Oh!
Nope, I'm not.
You're struck by lightning.
In front of my eyes. Oh, 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 oh.
Good.
I was hit, and I was even indoors,
No.
and I still got hit. Okay, I look so much prettier this way.
You look so.
I don't know if pretty is the right word, but. Oh, and you're back, thankfully.
I'm not. Banana.
Banana, banana. Brr.
Big banana. Big banana. Big banana, banana, banana. What if I just yeeted myself off? Oh! Oops.
You died! Send your Lamborghini! Why would you do that?
No.
Like, everyone else survived too besides us.
I think
Send your Lamborghini.
yeah.
After this, can we play Fashion Famous?
Uh-huh.
Okay. The llamas need to see my amazing
Alright,
designs.
I know how to survive on this map. Just climb that tower, okay?
What? Oh! I want to launch the rocket! I want to launch
Go
it!
no,
I
go
wanna
in
be
it.
the
Go
rocket.
in it.
Oh, that's how you do it?
That's how we
I
have
want
it.
to be an astronaut!
Oh!
Oh, did you finish that movie? Send Your Lamborghini? That Hidden
Yes,
Figures
the movie was very good.
Okay. You've heard it here first, llamas, at Send Your Lamborghini's movie review.
Mm-hmm.
How many stars do you give it out of 10?
That's right. I will give it 7.
Oh
my.
7? Okay, I fell off the thing.
I died before it even started. I don't want to hear it.
Oh, no. It struck me with the acid rain. Okay, can we play Fast and Famous now?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we'll be right back.
One eternity later.
We're back. That's right. Fashion Famous, not loaded in yet. Yes.
Are you...
Mm-hmm.
Are you in?
Uh-huh. Oh, I already messed up, so... Well, I mean, there's no mistake. How do I get rid of the hair when it's not loaded in? Oh. Come on. I can click it. I know I can.
And
Where is it?
theme is Richie Rich.
Richie Rich? That's a show. Am I stupid, or can I not get rid of this?
Hello?
What?
It's a movie.
It's not a movie. Well, is it? What does his face look like? He probably has a beard now. No, he has that sparkling, shiny smile.
I'm wearing a Supreme shirt. I don't know if this is gonna work or not. I'm going for a man. It's one of the very few times I actually go for a man.
Is he fat? He's kind of fat.
I feel like blonde is trending right now.
Blonde.
Yeah, isn't it? Blonde is so trending. I think it is anyhow. I don't know.
Probably none of these people have ever probably watched the show, so there's gonna be yeah. He doesn't wear a tuxedo. What does he wear?
What do rich people's faces look like? Just have that like rich face, you know?
They have a shiny smile, but you're not taking that from me.
Better than you. Is it I'm better than you face? I don't know. This one. Yes.
Did you say it's an I'm better than you face?
Like grinning.
Holy.
I don't like that. Maybe I should Mr. Rainbow. That's totally trending. I'm just don't.
I think I'm wearing the same clothes as you.
I think I just put on women's sunglasses. I don't really know.
And what's wrong with that?
I feel like all these faces are women's faces.
Oh my gosh, I'm not gonna get done in
They
time.
have like so much makeup on. What the heck?
I don't know what I'm doing.
I have no idea.
Okay, I'm gonna be
I'm
buff.
just gonna put on. But I'm gonna put it that little shiny thing.
I'm bald.
And I feel like I should. Ooh, Beats headphones. Those are so trending. Now, are they trending? I don't know. Are Beats headphones trending?
We are trending, obviously.
Are elf ears trending?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Oh my gosh! I should wear the jock. Oh, is it not here? Oh my gosh, the jock's not here. That would be the perfect opportunity. I can't click anything. Oh my god.
No, that's just a glitch. That's just a glitch. I can't click it either.
Click, click. Why won't it click? Oh my god. Oh no, it's fine. It's fine. Come on, work. I have the most pathetic Cinderella with the wings on. I can't have this. This is going to ruin me.
I have an angry caterpillar.
No, I don't like this. I don't like that. Okay, I got rid of it.
Do elephants look cool?
I accidentally put on a tie. I put on a tie. Oh, I'm good. Oh,
No!
no. I messed it up.
I accidentally put on elephant ears.
I messed it up.
I put on elephant ears.
You did? Oh my gosh. Okay.
Oh yeah, that's right.
You know what? I give it a 5. You know what? I can see someone walking down Hollywood Hills and that. That is just so weird. I don't know.
Des.
Oh,
Ew.
I give it a 4.
Ew. What is that face? No rich person would ever dye their hair purple. They would just go work with black hair, like Britney.
Zombie girl.
Oh yeah, that's the red carpet look. It's not red carpet. It is. I'll still give it to her.
I don't think the
She's
dress
shaking her
and,
butt
like,
when
the
she
shirt-
walked down that
I-
catwalk, girl.
Okay, be quiet. The dress and the shirt, it did not go together. That I'm 4-star. Love it.
Ew.
Love the bag.
Ew.
That looks like
Ew.
maybe like a Chanel bag.
Louis
I don't know.
Vuitton. Only reason I give it a
I'm
2.
Googling it.
Oh, the famous Sjtautz. Oh my gosh. Yes, queen. Yes, queen. Yes, queen. 5 stars. You look so rich. Did you say bad word?
I tried to say. No, I tried to say.
What is wrong with her nose? She
Wait,
is
we
so
don't.
ugly. Oh my gosh. I'm pained to
I give
even
it a
vote
3.
on this. Pained. Earthy.
Earth Kitty Majestic.
I bought you a dad. Oh my gosh, 5 stars. That saying was amazing. She bought me a dad. Yes. You could buy my family. She is sparkling. That is not trendy. Not trendy.
She is so.
No, she's not. She is sparkling. She is a sparkling girl. No, she is sparkling.
Oh my gosh.
No. No. No.
You don't like it? Okay, come on. I better be.
Sparkles are not trendy.
Win.
This game is bad. Oh my gosh.
I think the second place girl should.
I tied with 3rd. 5 of those stars was from me.
Oh my gosh. Okay, can we do who gets worst now?
Okay, I can play one more, but then I have to go do some rich people stuff.
Yes. Where are you
Obviously.
gonna go in Beverly Hills on your Lamborghini?
I have to do some rich people stuff.
Some rich people stuff. Are you gonna go get a massage?
Mhm.
Mm-hmm.
That's right, girl. I stand in my chair. I don't sit down.
Where are you going to go get it?
There's this place called the Beauty Parlor at a Mall of America in Beverly Hills. That's right.
The Mall of America is in Minneapolis. Oh, you're gonna fly your jet over.
No, I'm gonna bring the Mall of America to me because I'm too lazy.
Oh, okay.
That's what any rich person would do.
I mean, clearly.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, I have that smile face. Future me.
Future me? Okay.
My dream was always to become a mermaid. What the heck? Oh my gosh, I am naked.
Oh my gosh. Okay, if I don't get last place, then this thing is rigged.
Oh my gosh, I am naked. This is not okay.
What? No, I want this.
I am naked. I see you. If you see a naked blue person running around, just ignore them. Oh my gosh, I am gonna become a watermelon.
Oh my god.
Watermelon pirate. You have pink hair.
So, do you think you're gonna get last place?
I know I'm gonna get last place.
I saw you.
Yeah, that's right. I'm beautiful. Oh, you laughing at me? Oh, you ducky. How dare you try to steal my pants?
Oh my god. I really like the duck idea. I'm stealing it.
Oh my gosh. That is like not okay. Oh my gosh, Brittany, I am beautiful.
Yes! 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 I love it! I love it so much! Oh, now I need to go get a
What the heck
tan.
is that thing? Oh, what the... Oh, and then you just gotta have that beautiful smile. I mean, oh my gosh, Brittany. What the heck? What the heck? Oh, I hate this face. It's beautiful. Oh my gosh. You just have to have that beautiful. Oh my gosh, she's a mermaid.
You know what? I don't feel like that really adds to the look. I feel like this is kind of. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh, I even have like freckles.
Betsy. Oh, what the heck are you doing?
I think I might have messed up my.
You
makeup,
look like a gnome.
It's a bunch of black. Oh, don't see me.
You are a gnome.
Don't get
You
any ideas
gnoblin.
from me now.
Gnoblin.
Are these better? I think these are underwear. Maybe I should wear underwear.
Those are swim trunks. You are not fancy.
Okay, I think I found something better. Okay. Oh my gosh.
Stars for stars. Oh, what is your face?
Okay.
Oh,
Let me
it's turned
try
different. Wait a second.
I'm not in love with the underwear. I'm not like.
Are you?
What about these?
Oh my gosh, it is beautiful. My face is just on point.
Okay, I'm gonna go hide in the corner so that no one steals such a great idea.
Oh my. I accidentally took something off. No!
I should buy some stuff in my closet. I should.
No!
I have a lot of coins.
I did too. I just spent 200.
Lamborghini. You are going down. One in the
Ouch!
below lava. Who do you think is gonna get worst place?
Obviously, man. I mean, speaking of, you got the last place last time. Oh my gosh, beautiful. 5 stars. 5 stars.
I think that's a little optimistic. I'm gonna give it 4 stars.
It's a 5-star. She is so filter. I mean, we don't know what she looks like right now, so we can't really. Oh my gosh, she is so. Beautiful. 5 stars.
I give it a 5.
5 stars. Those eyes are rainbow, girl. You go for those rainbow eyes. Banana. Dude, I'm literally like a ghost. How can you see me? I can't. That's why I should give you 5 stars.
You know what? I give it 5 stars because we're all gonna we're all gonna die sometime.
Oh my gosh, she's in the future. Oh, she's so smart. Oh, what the heck is that?
5 stars. 5 stars. You want
It's
that?
marry me.
Totally trendy. I love it.
Marry
I love
me.
it. Here, Senator Lamborghini, have you ever heard the phrase memento mori?
I didn't mean to put on my hat. I'm winning. I'm winning. I am cute, zombie girl. No, you're not. Oh my gosh, that looks like the future you. 5 stars. 5 stars. Those black lips are on point. Becky. Oh, Becky.
I think I sold it with the Becky.
Becky.
She looks like she's a queen, and the chance of her being a queen, 1 star.
No, the chances of her being a queen are 1 in 1.
Oh my!
Mermaid.
5 star. I love it.
But I'm trying to express myself.
Express.
No. No. Someone said no. Pretty.
Come on.
Oh,
that's
so
good.
so far so good.
See, the ghost one got second. I like that one.
Tissue.
Get last. Yeah.
We tied. No, we tied.
Darn it. Okay.
That's right. We tied here.